Assalamu alaikum. I hope all are doing well. Welcome to the Najib Khan YouTube channel. Today in this video we are going to talk about sqlcl, which is used for very important feature of Oracle Apex and Oracle. So it is used for different things like such as exporting, importing application, workspaces, components, and a lot of things. Uh, Data pumping, data exporting. So all these for all these purposes we you have SQL We commonly uh, have some like export, import, dump file feature, but we have another SQL which is really fast and which is really quick to export applications. Commonly we export application like that. Go to the, for example, mm, I open this one. Commonly we go to the app builder and open this one and export and import application. For example, I have 20 applications and in a specific workspace. So every time I will do like that, but so it takes a lot of time because that we have SQLCL. So it is really fast and it is really quick to export and import applications, and as well as workspace, overall workspace as well. Like I've already downloaded SQLcl for the official from the official site of Oracle. We have this one, 23.1 is the latest version of the SQLcl. You can read the documentation as well, command line preferences, videos, and all these things. You can check out the documentation of this one as well. You can see Java based command line interface for Oracle database using. You can execute SQL, PL/SQL statement, interactive or batch mode, support your existing SQL class. So that's why we have this version. We have different version, 22.4 and 23.1. This is the latest version that I have downloaded and put it here. I have put it here in a C drive, and Oracle directory and SQL cell. And okay, before connecting with the database, so we need to set the path of SQLcl. So we have to copy this and set to the system variable. So we have to set that, then after that it will work, otherwise it will cause error. So now I come to CMD and SQL. We have to write SQL. So it requires username system sys underscore 123 127.0.0.1 and 1521 and XE express edition. So this is the system, and we have our password, and the local host mean we can use local host as well, and the express edition service name. So I have to take it. So it is connected. So how we have different script for showing our applications. Like for example, if we have multiple PDBs, if this is a PDB's pluggable database, we use alter sessions, set container, like your container name. Then after that, we can show the Apex file. So how can I show all the application from this tip? Because I have installed Apex in this Express edition directly. This is a single instance database, not pluggable database. So I can show all the Apex list. Apex list, I can show all this application. Look at all the applications that I have different in different workspaces that so I can show. So we have different applications. Okay, and how we can export applications. We have export. Before that, I need to create one directory and specific directory, like for example, apps. Specific directory I want to import, export all application, and another directory for what data data dump uh, backup backup. Okay, apps and data backup. So Apex is export. For example, if I want to export only application, single application, for example, this one, 112. If I click this one, so exporting workspace test2 application ID, this one, test2. This is application. So application file f112.sql created. So just it takes little time to export application. Look at this. This is the file that we application that we have exported now. Now actually when we do not specify any directory, so automatically all the applications are exported in bin directory. If we specify, for example, Apex export application ID 112, for example, directory apps. Look at this. If I specify the directory hyphen direct dir directory, it is show it is used for directory. Apps f is I have a directory, so when I click this one, look at this. The application is exported. Now we are exporting all the application, workspace application, or whatever applications. For example, I have 15 applications. By single script, I want to export all application. So export uh, workspace space ID. Example, I have workspace ID 999. So 9993456. Okay, and directory apps. Directory apps, I want to export all the application from workspace ID, this one. Sorry, workspace ID. Okay, workspace, this one, wrong, that is wrong. Look at this. Export, okay, this one, the 100, all the applications are exported to the, to where? In this, in apps directory. With a single click, we export all the application. It takes little time to export all the application. Look at all the applications are exported. Okay, this is all about sqlcl. So in next video, we'll talk about the how to make a batch file from this different workspace and different applications, and how to make a dump file. We can easily export the schemas, so different users. So in next video, we'll talk about that. Thank you so much. Goodbye.